I'm down 229 pounds. You know I love a simple, quick, and easy meal. I'm going to show you how I make barbacoa quesadillas. They're going to be delish. So I have my waffle iron here. I've already sprayed it with nonstick cooking spray, and I've got the zero net carb mini La Bandadorita carb counter tortillas, 20 calories, zero net carbs. Love those. Now that I got my tortilla down, I'm going in with my shredded mozzarella. I just prefer mozzarella. I got a 1/4 cup in my bowl here, so I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons down. I told you, simple, easy, quick. I picked this barbacoa up, and guys, I know my hair looks like it's in my food. It's the angle that you're at. I know that freaks people out. No, babe. Like, we have plenty of room here. It's not in it. And don't worry if it is. I'm eating it. You're not. Just showing you how I assemble mine and how I make it. But you definitely can add more ingredients and make it your own. This is just an idea of how to do something, okay? All right, the rest of the mozzarella on top. Beautiful. And I actually think I'm going to throw on some onions. I only have red onions, so I'll put a little red onion on there. All right. Tortilla on top. Let her cook. All done. Everyone always asks me how long I cook it for. I just cook it until it gets nice and golden and a little crisp like that. Take it off. I'm going to give it a cut with a pizza cutter. Yeah, it looks dirty because I made this for my husband and I've already cut his. So I am salivating. I'm ready to dig into this. We've got to get right into this. I've got some of the sauce that the barbacoa was in on the side. I'm going to use that for dipping because you know I got to have a dip. That's good. And no, my hair is not my food. I'm here. This is here. Okay? I know the angle you're at, it looks like it's not. Don't worry. But if it were, I'd still eat it. Y'all, this took less than 5 minutes. It's high protein. It's low carb, low calorie, and super delish. Go make it.